What if I told you that one of the most expensive ingredients in modern skincare doesn't come from a lab? It comes from a living creature.
Here in the transfer corridor, our workers use soft brushes to gently guide the snails, ensuring a humane workflow towards the facility.
The secretion rate is optimal at this frequency.
Noted. The molecular weight analysis looks promising.
Flow rate is holding steady at 95 milliliters per second.
Uniform fill across all basins. Everything looks optimal.
Pressure looks stable at 20 psi.
Flow rate is consistent. The mesh is clear. The separation efficiency is holding steady at 99%.
Good. Maintain the flow rate on channel 3.
The curves are stabilizing nicely now.
Yes, the adjustment worked perfectly. We are within the target consistency.
Viscosity is stable at 2500 CPS.
Confirmed. Proceed with the next sequence.
The sequential opening is complete. We have full stabilization.
Acknowledged. The transfer is proceeding as expected.
Precision is paramount. Our automated systems ensure every ingredient is measured to the exact milliliter. Inside these insulated chambers, the formulated slime requires precise temperature control as the countdown nears 0.
All parameters are green. We can sign off on this immediately.
Confirmed. Pushing the update to the floor now.
Check the oscillation at 400 Hz.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Viscosity is stabilizing.
The viscosity levels are stable across all tanks.
Confirmed. We are ready for packaging initiation. Approval confirmed for batch 4.
Flow readiness is optimal. Proceed with transfer.
Viscosity is stabilizing right at the target.
Confirmed. We have a perfect lock.
Everything looks good on the pressure differential.
Confirmed. Logging the readings now.
Thousands of containers enter the facility via vibratory feeders, automatically aligning into perfect rows before moving down the line.
Verify nozzle position, sequence 2, 4.
Solid alignment, all parameters within tolerance.
Here we see the containers moving through the temperature-controlled tunnel, a critical step in maintaining product integrity.
Confirming placement at D4.
Roger that. Moving to inventory check.
Manifest confirmed. Truck 1 cleared for departure.
Roger that. Control. Rolling out.